Hello, Connie Nichol here today with Creative Scrapbooker Magazine and another technique taster. Today I wanted to show you how you can make this beautiful kind of watercolored textured background and mix it with some Echo Park coffee themed paper to create scrapbook layouts, different cards, and these are all kind of using the same technique and the same pack of pattern paper. So we'll do another one. So I have cut 5-inch squares of Creative Scrapbooker Superstock. It's just a heavy white, plain white cardstock, and I want to paint it up with Brea Reese watercolored ink. But in order for the ink to spread beautifully and quickly and give that watercolor effect, I need to coat the cardstock with a primer. So what I will do is use a clear gesso, which is it dries clear, and it allows you to spread that color around without it immediately soaking into your paper. So this is a clear gessoed piece of the Superstock. It looks exactly the same as the plain one, but now it's got kind of this invisible coating on it. So I'm going to use a little bit of cadmium red. Just put a couple of drops in a holder, some pink, and this is gold. Squirt a little bit of water in to dilute the color down a little bit, and then just take a paintbrush. Here I'm using the Prima Art Basics 3/4 inch brush, and just paint your watercolor across. When your square of cardstock is dried, it'll look something like this. So you'll have a little bit of carmine red, a little bit of pink, and a little bit of gold. Now, in order for the magic to happen, we're going to use an Echo Park designer stencil. They have these beautiful, intricate 6x6 stencils, and we will use some artsy texture paste or a texture cream, and you can use whatever color you want. So just lay it over top, and you'll want to use some washi tape or some painter's tape to just secure your stencil so it's not jiggling around. So once your stencil is quite secure with a few pieces of washi tape, just spread some texture cream or texture paste through the little holes. So once you've finished spreading the texture paste, just lift your stencil off. And so you've got this beautiful texture on your watercolor background. We'll just let it dry for a couple minutes, and the texture paste dries very, very quickly. So these are some of the sentiments from the Echo Park coffee paper. This one I've cut out of a card. So I just want to show you a little trick. You'll see on this scrapbook layout, I've just got oodles of black thread kind of coming out, and that is really easy to do. Just use a two-sided tape. This one is from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L, and just run tape all the way around the edges of your card, and then we can put some thread. So it'll look seemingly random, it'll be held very firmly in place. Press the thread firmly down into the adhesive, and all kinds of swirls and loops, and just kind of go crazy with it because it just kind of looks nice when it's sticking out. Put it down on your card background, put it on a card base, and there you have a textured watercolor background, coffee themed card.